global economy can shake off pandemic. Vaccines and fresh economic stimulus promised by U.S. President-elect Joe Biden will give the global economy a chance to put the coronavirus pandemic behind it in 2021. Their optimism came despite a resurgence in COVID-19 cases that has prompted the World Bank to downgrade its growth forecast for this year and warn that delays in vaccination programs could pinch recovery even further. The head of German engineering giant Siemens AG said China is currently driving the world economy but was optimistic about recovery in the United States, where Biden has promised a faster rollout of vaccines and more economic stimulus. The fight against the pandemic, which has claimed 1.9 million lives globally, has now entered a critical stage as countries around the world roll out vaccination campaigns aimed at immunizing large sections of their populations by year-end. At the same time, emerging new variants of the virus have raised concerns about vaccine resistance and a faster spread of the disease, while China is battling a rise in cases that has seen more than 28 million people put under home quarantine. The Washington-based World Bank last week cut its 2021 global growth forecast to 4% from 4.2% and said the rise in output could be as little as 1.6% if there were vaccine delays. European Central Bank President Christine Lagarde nevertheless stuck to the ECB's existing forecasts for the Eurozone, provided lockdown measures are lifted by the end of March and vaccines adequately distributed. Even in the best-case scenario, global recovery is not expected to be even, and concerns are growing that low-income countries could be left even further behind while some sectors most exposed to the pandemic fight for their very existence. World Bank chief economist Carmen Reinhart said increasing debt distress in many of those countries meant that China, now the world's largest official creditor, would need to start restructuring the debt it is owed. By wearing masks, we can reduce the risk of spreading the virus, and that will help protect our collective health.